Welcome, gagayem. I am Redin Mateo, and this is the Ilocano Notebook, your fastest, easiest, and cheapest way in learning Iloko. In our first module, we are going to learn how to respond to the question, An-niya-ti-na-ggan-mo, the Iloko translation of what is your name. An-niya-ti-na-ggan-mo. To answer this question, you need to introduce yourself like this. Siak ni Redin Mateo. I am Redin Mateo. Siak ni stands for I am. So, just add your name after Siak ni. Now, it's your turn. Try it yourself. Good! Now, it's time for Namnama step. After saying your name, you can add the statement, Maragsakan ak nga maammo ka. Maragsakan ak nga maammo ka. This just says that you are glad to meet him or her. Like this. Siak ni Redin Mateo. Maragsakan ak nga maammo ka. Now, you can leave a good impression to the Ilocanos by introducing yourself in Iloko. So that concludes our lesson for today. Visit the Facebook page of UP Namnama Baguio to download the text version of this tutorial. See you in the next episode. Intuno maminsan manen.